I'm Iwa. Welcome to my channel. With Iwa, learning English is fun and easy.
In this video I will tell you how to improve your English and learn new vocabulary more effectively.
What do you need to learn? Let's read this short text and find out how many words you know and understand. Cold weather hybrid broccoli. Bred for superior seed vigor. Germination and sowing. Soak seeds in water overnight to remove hard coats and end dormancy. Sow in the place that gets full sun. Use a pen to prepare holes. Drop one seed per hole. Cover with soil and water. I suppose you do not understand all the words here. And it is normal unless you are an agricultural worker. In any language there are many words that you don't need and there are other words that you need simply to understand when you read or hear them. There are also words that you need to be able to use yourself. Of course, you should spend most time learning this last group. Useful tips to learn new words. You should always know the meaning of a word and how it is pronounced. Learn new words and phrases or sentences. You should write down adjectives together with the nouns they are usually associated with and vice versa. Royal family. Write down verbs together with the nouns they are associated with. Express an opinion. Always write down words with their prepositions. Thanks to their help. Pay attention to any grammatical characteristics of the word you are learning. For example, note when a noun is uncountable or is only used in the plural. Can I learn by reading or listening to English? You will certainly help yourself by reading and listening to English. Reading tip. When you read something in English, don't get upset if you don't understand every single word. Don't look up every new word or expression or you will soon get fed up. When you have finished reading, it is a good idea to look back at what you have read and then look up some interesting words and write them down. Listening tip. Don't panic when you hear some words or expressions that you don't know. The overall meaning will be clear if you keep listening. Remember that it is always possible to guess the meaning of the word you don't know from the context. Aids to learning new words. Learn words with associated meanings together. Have a look at this network for the word house. What words do you associate it with? Let's add them. Kitchen. Dining room. Living room. Bedroom. Study. Bathroom. Toilet. Garden. Learn words with a grammatical association together. Organize new words into groups. For example, a group of uncountable nouns. Furniture, advice, information, knowledge, etc. Learn words that have the same root. Use useful, useless, make use of, etc. Let out your inner artist and use pictures. Pictures might help you to remember new vocabulary. Draw some pictures and write down the word you want to learn. Word trees or word forks can be really useful. Just have a look. Fruit, apple, orange, plum, grapes, peach, banana, kiwi, pear, cherry, lemon, apricot, kickball, hit ball, bounce ball, throw ball. Let's sum up what we've discussed. If you want to absorb new vocabulary like a sponge, follow my advice. Find out how you learn best and find the tools that work for you. Remember, there's no incorrect way to learn new words and organize your vocabulary notebook. Learn new words and phrases, but not separately. Put the words in context. Be creative and use pictures, diagrams, word trees, flashcards, etc. Avoid word overload. Limit yourself to 10-15 new words a day and do not try to memorize 100 words a day. Repeat, repeat and repeat. You know that practice makes perfect. Look at the words again after 24 hours, after 1 week and after 1 month. Watch movies and read stories in English. Do it together with the people around you. Challenge a friend, a colleague or a family member to learn new words with you. Subscribe to my channel and download my app to learn English in a fun and easy way.
With Iwa, learning English is fun and easy. Try it out for free. And don't forget to subscribe.